Hey, my name is Phil, the founder and creator here at Earth, Nails, and Tails, and I get the question all the time, where does the name come from? I'm happy to finally provide you an introduction of who we are, what our goals are, and exactly how Earth, Nails, and Tails came about. In 2018, we moved onto this property in Southern Virginia, and ever since, we've been gardening and modifying the landscape to create a little backyard homestead. My wife and I have been surrounded by gardening our whole lives and mostly influenced from our grandparents. Our property was originally barren with a couple sheds and a dying tree, and upon moving in, we immediately built our first garden. Once we realized what we were capable of doing here with the space we had, and seeing the likes of small backyard market farms popping up all over the country, we decided to take a stab at it and create a large garden, edible landscapes, and start raising animals to promote our health and increase self-sufficiency and sustainability. My wife has a background in environmental science and mine is in engineering. I've always been tinkering and building all sorts of projects, gadgets, and gizmos, and even built a self-seating robot back in grade school. Eventually, I found myself earning a degree in mechanical engineering, and I now use my passion for creativity to design and build various pieces of infrastructure here on the homestead. A year after we started gardening on our property, we got our first set of chickens, which we were fortunate enough to raise from baby chicks. And after that, we were absolutely hooked. Later that year is when I realized I should be documenting and sharing my journey with others. I knew how many hours I had put in researching and finding all of this information in details that were actually accurate, and with my profession in engineering that was based around training and presenting, I knew I could simplify the knowledge that I had been obtaining and share it with everyone that was willing to listen. You can see the trends around the world that more people are starting to take ownership again of supporting themselves and also genuinely want to know where their food and resources come from and positively impact the environment around them. My current goal for Earth, Nails, and Tails is to provide and get in front of the eyes of at least 1 million people and share how you can be a better gardener, have a confidence to build something that will provide, and be a responsible owner of backyard farm animals in order to build a more happy, healthy, and sustainable lifestyle. Welcome to Earth, Nails, and Tails.